Frustrated with the aceodbc module DLL pop-up blocking your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. This DLL file is the Access Connectivity Engine ODBC driver library. It allows Windows applications to connect to Microsoft Access database files using the Open Database Connectivity Standard for data manipulation and querying. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The aceodbc module DLL is part of the Microsoft Office application package. A full reinstall of the latest official version of Microsoft Office will repair missing or damaged components. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the aceodbc module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. A vital technical reminder: modifying the aceodbc module DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing the aceodbc module dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Microsoft Office functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.